Hey, Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Man. I know before we spoke about if you have sensitive skin, what you should probably use. I have really dry, sensitive skin. I cannot do fragrances at all. Not a perfume, not a fragrance body wash. And so recently I did just start using the Arm & Hammer. This is my first time using the Powerfully Clean Naturally Scent. OMG, this smells so delicious. It smells so clean and it hasn't broken me out. This is one that I will begin to start to use. And I like it. This has smell. This also comes in the all clear if you do not want any smell. And then I get the all clear. So I love the all clear because it doesn't have any smell and it just makes you feel so soft. Like this one here, it makes your skin feel soft and it doesn't break you out at all. So these are my two go-to, well actually three, when I get that Arm & Hammer all clear. And I think because I do like scents sometimes, I love this one right here. And like I said, it's been safe with me. So when I do want something to smell, then I will go for the Arm & Hammer with the Powerfully Clean scent. Or if not, I'll go for my all clear. Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Men. If you do have sensitive skin and you would like something with the smell, we'll go here. If you do have sensitive skin and you do not like any smell, then we'll go here. Alexus loves you. Mwah.